Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change Binance currency. So it's pretty simple to change Binance currency, but before I show you guys how you guys can change your Binance currency, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can drop it down in the comment. I will answer you guys. And yeah, if you guys want to sign up into Binance, then you guys can use our referral link down in the description. If you use that, then you guys can get $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. So if you guys want a free $10 bonus, you can use our referral link down in the description. And let's start the video. So to change your Binance currency, it's pretty simple. By default, it's gonna be on USDT, which is a stable coin. And yeah, to change it into other, you can just click on your profile picture looking icon at the top like this. And then once you're over here, you want to scroll down at the bottom until you see setting. You want to click on setting. Once you're in your setting, as you guys can see below language, there's a currency tab. You can click on currency and you can, change your currency to whichever you want. By default, it's in USDT. You can change it to whichever you want. You can just choose from over here. And once you choose from over here, once it's tick marked, you can just go back. And as you guys can see, my currency is changed. So if I want to change it again, I can just go to search and type for USD. So let's say I want USD. I can tick on USD, go back, and it's on USD now. So it's that simple to change your Binance currency. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can drop it down in the comment as well. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And as I said, if you guys want a free $10 bonus for signing up into Binance, you can use our referral link down in the description. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.